They say history's written in ink, but some stories ooze and green. Slippery strange from lab coats to lunchboxes. Slime has always been in between. Not solid, not liquid. Something in the middle, like rebellion in a Petri dish. Or a childhood giggle in a Tupperware lid snap. Back in the 20s, the chemists got curious, mixing polymers like poets mix pain. Accident birthed a goo. Not quite glue, not quite sane. Synthetic dreams in a tube. Borax and glue. They called it a non-Newtonian fluid. Even Einstein would have said, well, that's weird. Then came the 90s cineas, when toy shelves gleamed radioactive. Nickelodeon gave it voice. Green gunk dumped on heads like choice, saying, if you're gonna play messy. Kids begged for that viscous jelly, spilling on carpets, sticking to siblings. Parents cried foul, but we knew it was magic. This gooey rebellion in our palms, like stress relief before therapy was an app. Slime kept evolving, like culture with colors, glitter and glow, scented like cupcakes or cosmic snow. Instagram hands knated neon clouds, tapping, squishing, popping proud. Satisfying sounds, a symphony of squelch, ASMR from a stretchy belch. And now, slime is science, slime is art. It's the strange, soothing heart of chaos and control. A metaphor for us, maybe. Resilient, moldable, weird, hard to hold, but real. Slime is history with a squish. Proof that even the oddest things leave a trace. Not every legend is cast in stone. Some are left on your hands and in your favorite hoodie's least washable place.